As a machinist, oil skimmers make my life better. Now, when I run parts, I can come home smelling like my coolant. And if that coolant has not been well maintained, it can grow bacteria. That smells terrible and can cause us all kinds of problems. Tramp oil is oil that finds its way into our coolant, usually from oily material or even machine lubricant. And the dirty truth is that bacteria love tramp oil. They feed on it and it makes them grow. The Haas Oil Skimmer removes unwanted oil and contaminants from our coolant. That's it. Simple, effective. We've made some great videos that go into all the details of maintaining our coolant, and we'll link to those. But the two biggest tools in our arsenal to keep our coolant fresh are number one, our refractometer, which makes sure that our coolant concentration is within range, and number two, our oil skimmer, which gets rid of all that tramp oil that feeds bacteria and makes our coolant less effective. If bacteria and fungus have taken a hold of your coolant tank, it's hard to get rid of. So prevent the problem before it starts. Make use of an oil skimmer and keep those coolant concentration levels checked. And I guarantee you, your day will be just a little bit easier, or at least smell better.